Hey guys, and welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp. We are at CVS. I did receive some more ECBs, so we will be going into CVS. I have $12 in ECBs, and of course my budget is $5. These should be some quick, easy deals to do, not a lot of work. I'm going to tell you something. If you clip whatever coupons that refer to those items, because that's exactly what I do. You're going to clip your CRTs. If you got manufacturers that go with it, clip it. And if you have any app only coupons, clip those coupons. Okay, so we're going to go in and see what's going on. I'll show you the red box, but I won't be utilizing the red box because I actually sent all mine to my car. It's just easier for me to do that, but I will save some for next week, some CRTs, so that I can show you the difference between them, okay? So let's get it going. Hey guys, look at that. Suave got their own hand sanitizer. I done saw it all. And I don't know how much it is, but they got it out. Then it's a new one in here called Clean Drops Advanced. It's a foam, Persani. Well, these people got all kind of stuff going on right here. Tom's got something called prebiotic hand sanitizer. This, oh my goodness. Okay, so let's go over here and get what we need and hurry up and get out of this store. So we're going down this aisle to the mouthwash. We're going to do the Listerine deal. When you buy one Listerine and get a $5 Visa gift card. But only we're going to buy these two things. We're going to buy one of these, because if you buy two Listerine products, you get $4 back. So we're going to buy one of these. One Listerine. There it is. It must be 1 liter. Okay. Okay. So we'll make sure we get that. Okay, that deal will be going on until 7/13, which is actually a good deal to purchase. So let's get that. Then we will be going down here to the feminine care aisle, and we have a $2 off coupon that came in our app, and it is off any Kotex U product. These are $1.89, so they'll bring the coupon down to $1.89. Okay, and then we will be doing. We did the Listerine. We did that. We're gonna be doing the Palmolive and the Hallmark. Okay, so let's just get around there. You know, I'm talking to the phone because I'm trying to drown out the music that's taking over in these stores. So let's do that. Now here's another deal. You could have did this 5 off 20 for the household because you got that laundry CRT for 15 off. So I will be doing that. But this deal right here, I want to get this one done right quick because it's a good deal. Now Palmolive is buy one get one 50% off, and then you get a $2 ECB back on 2. So we're gonna grab 2 of those. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to get is the Hallmark card. So let me show you. Hallmark has a buy 3 get $3 ECB. They also have bags, which are 49 cents. So let's get 3 bags. Let's get some bags. So let's get a red bag, a blue one, and a white dark blue. Y'all see that my colors is off bad, so we're gonna do 3 of those. Okay, now hold on, let's make sure we got all our stuff together. Then we should have that Palmolive, and then let's see where the Almond Joy is at. Then we should do the Kotex. Yes, we're gonna do the Almond Joy, and then we're gonna see if we got those together. Okay, hold on. My clothes coming on. Okay, so you guys know I like to take you around and do comparison shoppings. Now, you see these Lucky Charms, $5.29, and then these are $6.70 Now, if you go to my Dollar Tree videos, look at the Dollar Tree video. You will never buy out here again. Then let me show you another one. This is the Cheerios family size. If you go to my Dollar Tree video, you'll see that, once again, price compare. Dollar Tree, the last video I done, we got big boxes of cereal. Now, the Lucky Charm coupon, which is General Mills, works on the Cheerios coupon. The Cheerio coupon did not work on that one. So see that video so you can see exactly what I'm talking about and what I bought and why I bought it that way. But it's the Dollar Tree video from Monday. That's like one of my good hauls. I've been finding tons of cereal lately. So, I mean tons of it. It's so much of it that I'm like, oh, okay, I'm going to give this away. I've been giving it away to people. So that's how much we got. So let's see what we got. So right now we have the 3 Hallmark bags. Okay. We have, that's going to give us $3 ECB. The 2 Palmolive, which is going to give us $2 ECB. This is free because we got a $2 off app and it's $1.89. And then we're going to get the Listerine, which is $7.99. And the Listerine Cool Mint Tabs, which is $5.99. That's going to give us a $4 ECB back, plus a $5 Visa gift card on buying a 1 liter of Listerine, which ends on the 13th. And you could do 3 per household. So grab those, guys. Don't let them go. Grab them, grab them, grab them. And then you will see why. So I see that CVS is starting to have a dollar aisle, which is nice because they got a lot of stuff. Wow. I mean, they're doing really good. They got a nice dollar aisle. Look at that. They got antibacterial soap that's in a box. Okay. Wipes, Band-Aids, body sprays. They got a nice tissue, aluminum foil, straws. Wow. Trash bags, that's 2. So they got $1 and $2 aisle, which is still really nice. Like, you're doing good to be having. And then you see this Brillo. Brillo have a coupon. So if I get a Brillo, I'm going to find that and come back and get it. So look at that, guys. Find the Brillo coupon. Spick and Span over here. You can also do a Spick and Span coupon. Okay. So we all see. But let's go look for the Brillo. Oh my God, look at that. Wow. Okay, guys. We're going to go look for the Brillo. I think we got a coupon for it because it's all gone. Look at that. The Brillo got dishwashing liquid, soap pads, scrubbing. This is what I'm excited about, dish packets. Wow. Okay, so that was a good search and find right there. Okay, so we will see what they got going on. Let me find the Almond Joys and then we'll be ready to blow this joint right on up out of here, okay? Now, I'm looking at the Axe. This is new. It's $5.79, $5.79. This the one they keep advertising right there that they advertise. The one that you can get it for 60 cents, a regular Axe, in Dollar General, but they did not have them in my, if you look at my Dollar General video, I looked for them, they did not have them. Also, the Degree was cheap, 60-something cents, and they did not have that one, okay? So, it's just a matter of looking. I told you, I really don't buy those anymore because you can just get a better deal if you go to the Dollar Tree and get them. That's why, okay? So, let's come around here and see what they have around here. And it's not too much of anything, so we okay. Let's go and see when we check out and see how we do. Okay, guys, so we are out of CVS, and let me show you what I paid out of pocket. Turn it over. We came in good. $3.73 out of pocket. Taxes is $1.24. We still came in well under our $5 because remember, we do not include taxes because I live in Illinois where they rape you at, okay? With taxes. We get like 2 sets of taxes. I don't know if you can. Okay, so we got a $4 extra buck a $2 extra buck, and a $3 extra buck. Now, don't forget, we also will get a $5 Visa gift card for buying a 1 liter of spring. Okay, so that's kind of like with CVS and Bucks, guys. What you want to do is learn how to roll your bucks. Learn how to roll your bucks, because to me, CVS get pricey. And if you can roll your bucks and pay as little as possible out of pocket, then that's what you do. But we're going to try to get our bucks up to a certain amount and be paying just taxes out of pocket. So just hold on tight with me. They still giving me ECBs back. And this is at a time when they owed me $32 worth of ECBs. They giving me 1 and 2 at a time, rationing them out to me, which I think is so unfair. And it would have been 2 something, but it would not take one of my dollar ECBs. And the girl didn't know how to override it. And I didn't bother her with it. But I'm okay with that, guys. Let me go because I'm driving. Hit like, subscribe, share this channel. And thanks for coming in and tuning in to the camp. Bye.